Alright, good morning. So today on this episode I'm going to talk about my Knifeleaf Acacia. In Greek, acacia may mean to sharpen. I just read that, so I thought that was kind of cool. But actually this is called Acacia Cultriformis. It's a multi-branching tree. It grows about 10 to 15 feet tall. And you can see here that it's about 6 feet and in full bloom. The blooms and blossoms are beautiful, and it does really well in this not so pretty kind of retaining wall area here. So let me hike up there and we'll go get a closer look at the foliage, which it's unique or named for, and the beautiful flowers. It's in full bloom right now at the beginning of March into February. Alright. Okay, so here are the beautiful flowers. When it's in full bloom, it's insane. Like little puffy balls, their texture. They're really cool, they're really soft. They're softer than some of the other acacia flowers that we have. And these ones are not kind of as messy. So that's what they look like. I mean, it's overwhelming what they look like in full bloom. There's just so many of them on this beautiful little 6-foot plant, which is about, I don't know, 4 years old. So that's what the flowers look like, and I think it blooms, I want to say, just once a year. Could be wrong, maybe twice a year. And it likes full sun. It's in a really hot part of a yard, so it tolerates plenty of heat in Southern California. And it's not fussy about soil as long as it gets good drainage. So here's some really fresh little flowers that just opened up here. You can hear the hummingbirds flying around, enjoying the plants around here. This is a low water, drought tolerant plant, I would say. It has low water needs. And there's the leaves, the foliage, what it's kind of known for. So they call it a knife leaf. You can kind of see why. If I could get a better focus on that for you. There we go. So call this a knife leaf acacia. And the leaves do kind of have a knife shape, I guess. But I just like them. They're really more for the unique color. They're really kind of like a interesting light green, like a pea green. And I pruned this back a little bit, and it only has one dripper on it. It's grown at a great rate. This again is native, or I don't know if I've said it already, it's native to Australia. It's an Australian native to southeast Queensland and New South Wales. So there you go. This is, again, the Knifeleaf Acacia, Acacia Cultriformis. And you can see why I like having it in my yard. Because look at the blooms. Ugh. It's awesome. And a really hot part of the yard. I can't wait till it grows in more to kind of hide this wall. So there you go. Give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll keep them coming. Have yourself a great day. I am. Dude, it's creepy.